all here to learn, to see how to best develop responsibly. We can make developments that are ecotourism and that are world class, but still are responsible and harness the environment. So,
isa sa dahilan natin kung bakit po tayo nagpapapunta para po magpatuloy tayo dito sa protection ng lugar.
Ang panaba po ay nakakatulong po upang makaiwas po tayo sa sakit na kidney. Ito rin po ay nakakapagpapayat. At ang mint naman po,
Marami yung species ng balite at lahat ng yan ay nutrient ng ating mga wildlife.
We commissioned the science studies and then everything came from there.
maraming salamat. We appreciate your effort, and I think kita nyo naman that Masungi is well worth the trip, and that's why I wanted to bring all of you here. Many, if not most, of our towns in Ilocos Norte have the terrain and the geography to do something similar, and there's no reason why we can't. It's just a matter of learning, benchmarking, and of course, finding the right people and making the right investments.
And there's also a lot of support on the community-based tourism as locally as possible. The food that we had today was sourced from a local community member.
And on behalf of the 23 towns of the province of Ilocos Norte, we'd like to express our deepest gratitude to everyone here at Masungi for hosting us and feeding us